One thing you will not say is, I don't bring you nothing but the best, because I bring you the best. Let me tell you something. You better be pulling up like the person you was created to be. Okay, so you guys know I like me, some nice things, okay? And I'm not ashamed to say it. When you say that, you just gotta throw your sweater, okay? They got some nice fancy things up in here. So today's magic number is 60, okay? Because it seems like everything in here is $60. Listen, I can't be bringing you the good deals and trails for reals if you ain't getting out to these stores, okay, child? When the last time you been to Burlington? They got some nice things. Coats, $40. Let's try one on. Peace, family, peace. Listen, Linda, listen. You listening, Linda? Okay, so today we are up here in Edgewater. Okay, you guys know I love coming up here. Okay, they got a pretty good coin up here. Okay, and I like being around richness. All right, honey, and you ought to like you some too. Okay, so today we are going to Burlington. Let's see what they have inside. Fancy Nancy. Okay, so first up, Burlington is hiring, okay? To the ones that's out there that's looking for a little job, okay, for seasonal. They definitely hiring. So first up, they have this Nautica coat for $60. This is kind of cute. I mean, I like the sleeves, okay? I'm a very detailed person. Alright, how you guys feel about this? Alright, they also have this Tommy Hilfiger. See, stuff like this. This calls my attention. Alright, really cute. And this is $60 as well. Honey, everything is $60. Okay. They also have this Nautica coat. Now this one I kind of like better than that brown one over there because it has the zipper right here, pockets, right? And this coat right here is $60. This is really cute. Guest coat, honey, $40. Okay, honey, they done switched up on us. They said. One thing you will not say is, I don't bring you but the best, because I bring you the best. Tell you, Burlington got some nice stuff, child. Ooh, honey, every time I look around, I see something nice in them. Okay, it's like it's contagious. All right, child. This stuff right here is cute. Now this piece right here, nice. Family, peace, peace, peace. So right now, my favorite thing to buy at Burlington, it would definitely have to be the Decor. They have some amazing home decor items, like this gold piece right here. This was really, really cute and is inexpensive. $19. That's one of the things that I love about Burlington, because you can always find some gorgeous pieces for really inexpensive. This piece was $13. And then this elephant, this was really, really cute. Now, one of the things on some of the products, it does say like be cautious or something, because the chemicals that was made in this product causes cancer and stuff. But they items are really, really cute. Especially they pillows. Oh my goodness, child, you see these pillows? $15. And then they had a set of pillows that looked just like that, but those pillows, they were like they was sort of like a suede, I want to say. And it was 2 pillows for $15, but they was all torn up. These Calvin Klein sweatpants, they feel so good. Okay, family, they had some really nice stuff in Burlington. Okay, chill, honey, those pillows, I just was visualizing. Okay, this stuff, my new home. Okay, all right, with the pillows and everything. Chill. Let me know what was your favorite item in there. With that being said, I love you.